What a shame, what a conspiracy, what a cheap act. How anti-national can you get? How much hate, how much malice? But most of all, let me tell you, Surabhi, as I start the debate with you, this group is shameless. Is the most shameless bunch of Indians I have ever seen.
Hello everyone, this is Wali Hamani. You know, ever since childhood, I was taught and told in school that media is the fourth pillar of democracy, that media holds democracy, and I was made to believe this fact. Ever since childhood, I was taught and told at school that media is the eye and ear of people. What that means is that people rely on media from the smallest news to the biggest international news. We rely on media. So we cannot expect the media houses to be biased. But sadly, ladies and gentlemen, today most of the media houses are biased, and most of the media houses are sold out in the hands of political parties. A time was there when media was considered to be a noble job, when journalism was considered to be a noble job, where you served the society and the mankind. But today it isn't a noble job anymore. It has reduced to only a business house. And today in this video, I am specifically talking about a journalist, or rather call him an entertainer, and his news channel, or rather call it a noise channel. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about Mr. Arnab Goswami. Before I go on to expose him, I have a message for you, Mr. Arnab Goswami. You know, when I was back there in school, during my school days, class 9, 10, 11, 12th, my friends, my colleagues, everybody called me Arnab. And I used to carry this name, you know, me being called Arnab, I used to carry it as a matter of pride. That, you know, people are calling me Arnab. You were my role model. But sadly today, if anybody calls me Arnab, I take it as a matter of shame. Because you are the biggest hypocrite. Because you are the biggest opportunist that I have ever seen. So without wasting much of my time, Mr. Arnab Goswami, I am sure that you will see this video. I will go on and expose you. Mr. Arnab Goswami has crossed all limits. He has forgotten all ethics of journalism, and he is sold out in the hands of RSS and BJP. And I'm not shooting in the air, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to prove it to you today. Arnab Goswami, you keep asking people, the nation wants to know, the nation wants to know. Yes, Arnab Goswami, the nation wants to know whether you are an opportunist. And yes, after seeing this video, the nation knows that you are an opportunist. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who do not know, let me tell you that Mr. Arnab Goswami's father, Mr. Manoranjan Goswami, had contested an election in the year 1998. From which party, ladies and gentlemen? Do I have to tell you that? The Bharatiya Janata Party. And there's more to it. And he lost to a Congress candidate. When Arnab Goswami is being asked who is funding the public, he says our funding is in the public domain. He is lying. Mr. Arnab Goswami, the whole nation knows it, that Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekhar has been funding you and is the largest investor of Republic. Now, when I take this name, Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who is Rajiv Chandrasekhar? Arnab, will you be able to deny that Rajiv Chandrasekhar is the Rajya Sabha member and has been Rajya Sabha member for the past so many years? From which party? Ladies and gentlemen, do I have to tell you that? From the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, a Bharatiya Janata Party Rajya Sabha member has been funding Arnab's Republic, and Arnab still denies that BJP is not funding me. What hypocrisy. Yes, Arnab, the nation wants to know who's funding you, and now the nation knows that the BJP is funding you. So those of you who are blindly following Arnab, understand that this man is ready to do anything for TRP popularity and, you know, for fame. This man has been paid and is made to sit there just to expose people from different political parties except the Bharatiya Janata Party. This man has crossed all limits. This man has forgotten basic ethics of journalism. Mr. Brijesh Kalappa had once said in his show that BJP is funding Republic. And see how Mr. Arnab Goswami reacted
Question,
to it.
then say I'm a coward, say I'm a lunatic. Say I'm a lunatic, say I'm a coward, say I'm a rogue agent. But you don't have to cover it up with anything else, Brijesh Kalappa.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen. This man calls himself a journalist. An educated journalist, and this is how he behaves. He abuses a lawyer when the whole nation is seeing him. Look at the words that he's using: worm, lapdog, lunatic. Mr. Arnab Goswami, you might have a degree with you, but let me tell you, you are not an educated man. You call people on your show and then you insult them and you kick them off. That does not make you a good journalist. You talk about free journalism, right? This is what you call free journalism. Free journalism doesn't mean you can abuse on your show. Free journalism doesn't mean that you invite people on your show and then you kick them off. You might have a degree with you, but let me tell you, you are not an educated man. And yes, Mr. Arnab Goswami, many a times I've seen you. You call people on your show and then you pass a judgment. And then you pass a judgment and you tell that you are an anti-national and you go to Pakistan. I've seen you many a times doing this. I asked you, who are you? Let the nation know. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the nation wants to know, who is Mr. Arnab Goswami, a journalist or a judge? And the nation knows that Mr. Arnab Goswami is a journalist. Then why aren't you acting like a journalist and not as a judge? You are there to show the people the truth and not pass judgment on people and not certify people as anti-national and not kick them out of your show and send them to Pakistan. Mr. Arnab Goswami, you have to understand that everything has its limitation and you too have your limits. So you better not cross it. When people ask you the BJP is funding, you become very angry. I have proven it that BJP is funding you. My problem isn't it that you are supporting BJP. You support BJP, very good, fantastic, I clap at it. But my problem is that when you're supporting BJP and the Bharatiya Janata Party, why are you wearing a neutral mask? Why do you act like a secular man and a patriot man when you are not patriot and secular? Why do you have to wear that neutral mask and show to the world that you are not affiliated with any political party? Why don't you go on the show and say to people that I have my affiliation with the Bharatiya Janata Party? Please do it. Stop fooling people. A day will come when your mask will fall off and the people of this country will kick you and send you to heaven. It hurts when I'm shouting at you like this. It hurts when I'm shouting at a man who once was my idol. And today I take it as a matter of shame when people call me by your name. Mr. Arnab Goswami, I'm challenging you today that come and debate with me. Not in your show, please. Not in your show. On a common platform. And let the topic be whether Mr. Arnab Goswami is a nationalist or not. And believe me, I'll send you back to your Assam home crying. I'm sure you've never cried in your life. If you really want to try it once, come and debate with me. And people who watched this video with so much of patience, I thank you so much for watching it till the end. Because I've proven it that Arnab Goswami is an opportunist and is being sold out in the hands of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you so much for watching me. And Arnab, I'll be waiting for you to accept my challenge. I'll be waiting for you to accept my challenge.